All right, guys, so by the title, you can tell that today we're going to be doing a balcony transformation. You're going to see how I went from this to this. If you're interested in learning more, then just stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything from what stores I went to, what I bought, and everything you need to know. I don't know about y'all, but anytime I'm looking to do anything as far as decor, I'm popping right on Pinterest. So here I'm just strolling through, seeing what I'm finding. I found a couple things and I just saved them to my page just for references on how I want to do my balcony. But I also put a little twist on mine so it didn't look the same as everyone else's. So now that I have an idea kinda of what I want, I'm just gonna head to a couple stores and see what I can find. Should I go like colorful? This is colorful. Which ones? I think I'm just gonna get. I don't care if it's full. This one is too much. Only $3, so. All right, y'all. I'm so sorry for the audio. I recorded this clip about 5 times, and my audio was just being crazy. Home Goods. I went to Five and Below, and I got a couple. Oh, I went to Walmart too. So I went to like maybe 4 or 5 stores just to get a couple items. Everything in here was, I'm gonna say it was below $50. I know we're going through a pandemic right now, so I've seen videos like this where people have spent like maybe $600. We ain't doing it. We ain't doing that over here. So I spent like $50. A lot of stuff I also had. So I had like extra pillows, extra blankets, extra stuff like that, like I wasn't even using. So I was like, let me go on, use it. So I'm just gonna be showing you what I got today. So the first place I went to was Ross. I actually went to like maybe 4 or 5 Rosses, but whatever. Okay, so the first thing I got was this rug. It's just like I'm trying to go like a bohemian theme kind of. And I got this rug here. It was only $10, so that was the first thing I got. Next thing I got was, okay, so I got some solar lights here. I already have some lights out there, but you have to plug them in, run an extension cord, do all that little extra stuff. So these for solar lights, all you do is, like when the sun is out, it's like this thing you have, and you face it towards the sun, and it soaks up the sun, and at night the lights just automatically turn on. So you don't need like the extra cords, all that type of stuff, you don't need it. So I got this, and I got this for $5. If you can kind of see that, $5. And if y'all don't know, everything at Ross is pretty much on sale. So these were originally $7.99. I really ain't saved, but you know, it's worth. I guess it's worth it. Next place I went was Hobby Lobby. So I $20 and I'm thinking like everything is on sale. No. So I get to the counter. This time I had like maybe 6 or 7 pillows. So I rang it up. He's like, okay, that'll be $200. Who? Who? I said, no, sir, that's all 50% off. He said, no, it's not. So I ended up getting one pillow and I used the 40% off. And I paid like, alright, sorry y'all, my camera cut off. So yeah, I ended up paying $7 for this pillow. Pretty cheap, I guess. It's just a cute color, just a pillow to throw out in the front. Nothing too major. Alright, next place, I went to another Ross, actually. Now I know when you look at it, you're like, that's ugly. But we gotta think about the overall view, y'all. Just think about the overall view. Okay, so I got some wind chimes. Yeah, wind chimes. I got these here. I got these. How do they look? Alright. And I already took the tag off of them. But if you can see, I paid $3 for it, which is pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. Alright. So the next place and the last place I went, nope, it's not the last place. The next place I went to was Five and Below. I got me a table. I got a table. So this was a little small size table. I know a lot of people for like balconies, they do, you know, like the big, like kind of a dining set. But I don't like eating on my balcony. I don't like bugs really. So I don't want to really sit out there and eat. I'd rather just eat right here at my dining table. So I got a little side table to put like candles, books, like flowers, you know. Just something small, like nothing too big. So I just got this for $5. And the last place I went was Walmart. And this was probably the priciest thing that I got. So you have to get the cushions to go on top of the pallets. Yeah, you have to get the cushions to go on top of the pallet. So it's pretty much the most pricey thing about this entire haul. It was $15 per cushion. So I paid $30 for both. Yeah, I paid like $30 for both. Is that almost $50? Okay, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 3. I think it's still about $50. Like, yeah, even with the cushions, it's about $50. And let me see what else. So I got the pallets. If you want pallets, they have pallets at like Home Depot. Just go ask them, they'll give them to you for free. For the low, not low, free. So just go ask them. I got 3 pallets, and I have to bring them in all by myself. And them things is heavy. So anyway, yeah, that's just my haul here. And just stay tuned. You're gonna see how I make it all come together. I know it looks kind of crazy, like how that's gonna go, but is that gonna go with? It's gonna be cohesive, I think. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so right after that clip, I realized that I didn't have anything to hang my solo lights on. So I had to go back out once again to Target. finally starting to come together after running around all day. It's finally starting to look a little cute, just a little bit.